Hey guys, welcome back to Hendrickson Ridge. It's July 2nd and pretty much getting the pole barn in order. Got everything heavy in here so far, including my CNC machine. But in any case, they're going to be coming out today to finish the last and final step for the pole barn, and that is insulating the ceiling. They're doing a blow type insulation in the whole ceiling. We'll see how that goes, but there's a little spot right there, and I guess that's where they go up and blow it in there. So they should be here shortly. I'll try to get some, obviously I won't be able to get any video up there until they're done. Once they're done, I'm gonna set my ladder up, open it up, and we'll get a look in there with the flashlight, see what it looks like. All right, so let's see what this shooting insulation thing is all about. Once again, appreciate you guys. Alright guys, so the insulator guys left, they're done. And there's, from what the paper says, like 11.3 or 11.4 inches of insulation all the way around that top of the attic. So we'll go up there with flashlight. We're completely done now, so take a quick look and that about complete the entire project, so that's cool. Stop. All right, I'm not gonna go up in here because it's nasty. Just stand here on the ladder. All right, so there. All right. Nice job, boy, these boys. Insulation up here, boy. You guys did a fabulous job. And it's hot up here, and that's it. We're done. Alright guys, so one thing about the insulation I didn't realize. The guys were saying that it was a mixture of shredded paper, but it also has fire retardant and pest control inside in it. So that way you don't have to worry about a fire or rodents getting in your attic. But that kind of wraps up the final step in this entire pole barn build, from taking down the trees and digging the holes to getting the attic done. I can start moving my stuff in here. I already got some benches built, and so yeah, I just wanted to let you know the insulation for the attic is bales of shredded paper, and it has pesticide and fire retardant mixed in it, so that everything's good in the attic. Once it's shot in there, it's a good deal. It's 11, almost 12 inches thick up there, and yeah, kind of finalizes this part of it. And next I'll be doing the electric. I'll be doing wiring the building myself, and then we'll go over total cost, stuff like that in a future video. All right, thanks again for being here, and see you on the next one.